Hi guys, welcome to my channel 𝐶𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐵𝐵. Today in this video we will learn how to edit 3D montage video like 𝐕𝐸. So let's get started. Open your browser and search Mixamo, and then sign up here with your Facebook or Gmail account.
Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Now upload the character which one you downloaded from my video's description box. Now you need to match the options on the side. You can match them by looking at the pictures on the side.
I don't wanna break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan.
What animation you want on this character? Search that animation above, like I want walking animation on this character. So I will search walking animation. Then you will find so many walking animation. Select any animation you like. Now you can adjust this animation. You can slow fast the character like this. Now download this animation without changing the download setting. Now we need Blender. To download the Blender, open your browser and search blender.org. And click on download. And again click on download. Then the Blender will started to download.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody
After the downloading is complete, install the Blender.
Yeah, she hates me now.
Now open the Blender.
I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only
From this
way I
video
know.
description box, download the 𝐶𝐢𝐬𝐳. Now import the 𝐶𝐢𝐬𝐳 file.
Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
If you find this type any color or texture color problem, then change the texture like this.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold.
Now import the character which one you animated in Mixamo.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Hold down the S key on the keyboard and move the mouse to scale up the character. Like this, put the character in a place where the character you want.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf.
Today's video is too far away. In the next video I will show you how to give character texture, how to add camera, how to write name on wall, how to export video. We will see everything in one video after another. So goodbye everyone. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends.